Hello everyone. Good morning to all. This is Sunita Yadav, your science teacher. In today's class, we discuss chapter number 9. And the chapter name is Reproduction in Animals. We discuss here all the question answer of this chapter. Okay. Now let's start question number 1. Explain the importance of reproduction in organism. Why reproduction is important? Reproduction is a vital phenomena on this planet Earth, which is essential for existence and continuity of life and species on it generation after generation. अपनी species की continuity के लिए और अपनी species को maintain करने के लिए reproduction is essential. Describe the process of fertilization in human being. In the process of fertilization, sperm come in contact with an ova. Fertilization process में it's compulsory sperm contact में आए किसके ova के. One of the sperm may fuse with the egg. The nuclei of the sperm and the egg दोनों के जो nuclei हैं they fuse and make a single nucleus resulting in the formation of fertilized egg called a zygote. In human being, the fertilization take place inside the female body known as a internal fertilization. Human being के अंदर जो fertilization है inside the female body होता है. That's why we said okay, human have a internal fertilization. Next one is choose the most appropriate answer. Internal fertilization occur we discussed already in a female body. Next one is a tadpole develop into an adult frog by the process of. एक tadpole convert होता है एक adult frog के अंदर. Which process we use? Metamorphosis. तो कौन सा process होता है? Metamorphosis process होता है. Okay. Now next, the number of nuclei present in a the number of nuclei present in a zygote is how many nuclei present in zygote? Only one. Okay. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false. Oviparous animal give birth to young ones. False. Viviparous animals जो होते हैं वो give करते हैं birth को young ones को birth देते हैं ना. So that's why our answer is false. Each sperm is a single cell. Yes, each sperm is a single cell. External fertilization take place in frog. Yes, frog में fertilization कहाँ होता है? In water. A new human individual develop from a cell from a gamete. जो human का जो new individual है वो gamete से produce होता है? No, वो zygote से produce होता है. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. Yes, egg भी क्या egg भी after fertilization एक single cell बनाता है. That name is zygote. Amoeba reproduce by budding? No, amoeba reproduce by fission. Binary fission. देखिए दो parts में divide होता है. Then we use a binary fission. Any animal divide more than 2 parts. It's then we say a multiple fission. Okay, so amoeba divided into 2 parts. So we use the here term binary fission. Okay, fertilization is necessary even asexual reproduction. No, in asexual reproduction, fertilization and fusion of gametes is not there. Okay, binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. Yes, and a zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Yes, an embryo is made up of a single cell. No, more single cell को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Zygote. अगर zygote divided into 2 parts, then we use the term of embryo. So embryo more than single cell होता है. Okay. Now give 2 difference between a zygote and a fetus. Okay, first one is zygote is a single cell that is contain only a one cell जिसके अंदर सिर्फ एक cell होता है. Next fetus, it is multi-celled, it contain many cells. Okay. Next second, it is formed by a fusion of male gamete of sperm and female gamete of ova. तो zygote form होता है fusion of gametes से. Okay. और जो fetus है, it is formed repeated division of the zygote. Zygote के अंदर बार-बार division होके जो चीज डेवलप होती है उसे हम fetus बोलते हैं. Next, define asexual reproduction. Describe 2 method of asexual reproduction in animals. First, we discuss here the definition of asexual reproduction. The mode of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, sex cells यानी gametes are not produced. Gametes नहीं बनते. No fusion occur. कोई fusion नहीं होता. No zygote. occur made up by this process. Asexual reproduction take place in amoeba, hydra, yeast, starfish, sponges, etc. Two methods are there. First one is binary fission. In binary fission, a single parent cell is divided into a two equal cell in amoeba. एक single cell divide होती है two equal amoeba के अंदर, it divided into by division by their bodies. Each of them get one nucleus. हर एक के अंदर अपना अपना एक nucleus हो जाता है. Develop into a separate individual जो धीरे धीरे develop होते हैं separately. The figure given below show how binary fission occur in amoeba. Now we move to a second point. It is budding. In budding, the organism develop a bulge called bud, which further develop into an adult organism and separate itself from the parent body to lead an independent life. Okay, this type of reproduction is shown in Hydra. The following figure show budding in Hydra. तो budding process के अंदर देखिए क्या होता है कि small bud arise होती है, then ये parent से nutrition लेके थोड़ा अपने size को enlarge करती है, and then ये यहाँ से सेपरेट आउट होती है एंड लिव इन अ फ्री इन लाइफ. तो एक पेरेंट से सेपरेट हो जाती है. तो दिस प्रोसेस इज अ बर्डिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन डज द एम्ब्रियो गेट एम्बेडेड. ऐसा कौन सा रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन है वेयर एम्ब्रियो गेट एम्बेडेड, एम्ब्रियो वहां पर एम्बेडेड हो जाता है. तो इट इज अ यूटेरस. Okay, what is the metamorphosis and give example. The transformation of larva into adult. Larva से adult में जो transformation होता है, it is called a metamorphosis process. Sudden or abrupt changes in the body and animal during the life cycle of an invertebrate or amphibian is called a metamorphosis. Example of this: frog and butterfly, and silkworm also. Next one is differentiate between internal fertilization and external fertilization. The fusion of male gamete or sperm and female gamete is ova occur inside the female body such as human being, bird, mammal, etc. The fusion of male gamete and female take place outside the female partner such as say, frog, fish and starfish. Next, a female partner lay either fertilized egg or a fully grown young ones, and the female partner discharge unfertilized egg. ऑफस्प्रिंग हैव अ हाई चांस ऑफ सर्वाइवल क्योंकि फीमेल की बॉडी के इनसाइड में होते हैं, तो इनको एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन से और बाकी चीजों से प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाती है. बट इन एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफस्प्रिंग हैव अ लो चांस ऑफ सर्वाइवल. लो चांस क्यों होगा? क्योंकि एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स बहुत सारे काम करेंगे, कुछ प्रीडेटर्स हैं जो इनको खा जाएंगे या ईट कर लेंगे, तो वो भी चीजें हैं, तो इसीलिए बहुत लो चांस होता है इनका सर्वाइव होने का. और इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है तो हाई चांस होता है उनका सर्वाइव होने का. Okay, extra questions. Draw a label diagram of sperm. This one is head, middle piece and tail. Next is question number 2. Difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. Reproduction which take place by the fusion of male and female gamete. Asexual reproduction, reproduction in which only a single parent is involved. Example of hydra and amoeba. Here I mention only one difference between you add here almost 4 and 5 point also, है ना? Okay. Next question number 3. Why animals which undergo external fertilization lay 100 of eggs? जिनमें भी external fertilization होता है, why they produce 100 of eggs? These animals lay 100 of eggs, but all eggs are do not fertilize. जितने भी eggs होते हैं, maybe possible नहीं कि वो सारे fertilize हों and develop into a new individual और नए individual तक वो बच जाएं. The egg get exposed to water movement, wind, rainfall. क्योंकि egg जो है exposed होते हैं rain water में, sorry rainfall में, wind में, movement में. Other animals also feed on eggs. जो दूसरे animal है वो भी feed कर लेते हैं इनको. This production of large number of eggs ensure fertilization of at least few of them. तो बहुत कम जो होते हैं वो fertilize होकर एक new individual में birth लेते हैं. That's why they lay egg hundreds of number. Next one is why does the child look like their parents? भाई child बिल्कुल अपने parents के जैसा कैसे दिखता है? The process of fertilization is the meeting of an egg cell from mother and sperm cell for the father. So the new individual inherited some characteristic of mother and some characteristic of father. क्योंकि जो भी genetic material है half mother से आता है, half father से आता है. So that's why we look like our parents. Okay, I think you all are understand this chapter very well. Okay, class.